Cambridge Institute. Today I would like to talk about structure of simple present tense for singular subject only. An affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence is also called positive sentence. If we talk about structure, so structure simply means formula for the simple present tense. Yes, simple present tense is also called present and definite tense. For singular subject means that only for he, she, it and singular noun. Only affirmative structure. So for affirmative structure we have formula that is first of all we need a subject, then first form of verb or also called base form of verb, or we can also call root form of verb. Base form of verb. Base form of verb plus we have to add s, es, ies plus complement. Now this is the formula for the construction of simple present tense singular affirmative statements. We need this formula, and if we know the formula, so the construction is very easy. First of all subject, then first form of verb, and verb is followed by s, es, ies plus complement. So now let's discuss that what are the singular subject pronoun. So the first which we have, that is called he, and the second is that is called she, and the third one is that is called it, and one more that is called singular noun. Singular noun means that a single noun, like for example Ali, Umar, etc. Now if I want to make a statement of simple present tense, so first of all I need to choose a subject. So now these are called subject. This singular subject will follow by a verb. But if we are going to add a verb, before the adding a verb, we should know that where we can add es, s, ies. So first of all, I would like to discuss that is where we can add es. So if the verbs ends in o, x, ch, sh, double s. If the verb end in o, x, ch, sh, double s, so we have to add es. How? Look at example is, if we talk about go, so go is end by o. So if the verb end in o, so we have to add es. So it will convert it to goes. And we can pronounce at the end there should be a sound of z, goes. And if we talk about another, so we say fix, f-i-x. So fix is end and x. So we have to add that is called simply f-i-e-x-e-s. If we talk about the next word, so which one is the word which end in ch? So there are many words. For example, I say watch. So watch, there is ch, and ch is converted that we have to add es, watches. And if we talk about sh, so we have the word that is called wash, w-a-s-h, wash. So it is converted with the help of that es, washes. And give you that, washes. And the next one is that is called miss, m-i-s-s or m-e-s-s also possible. It can be converted by m-i-s-s-e-s, miss is. Now, so how you will know that we have to add es? So here we have very simple formula. When the verb end and o, x, ch, sh, double s. So these verbs followed es. This is the first formula. We should remember the first formula, and the first formula is here. The second is that how I will know that I should add ies. So when the verb end and Y, where we can add IES. When the verb end and Y, and before the Y we have consonant, so remove the Y and add ISE. For example, I say study, STUDY, study. So now, study end by Y. And also we have to check before the Y if there is a consonant. If there is a consonant means that beside A, E, I, O, U letters. If there is consonant letter, then remove Y and add IS. For example, I can say that Y, so there should be razor and here should be added IES. And this will convert it to word that studies, STUDIES. Like for example, another example is, that is called fly, FLY, fly. So fly, here is a Y, and Y, before Y we have consonant letter, that is called L. So remove the Y and add IES, and it will convert it flies, FLIES, flies. Yes, there is one exception. And what is the exceptions? For example, I write the word play, PLAY, play. So play does not follow these rules. Why? Because if you look at here, so Y we have, and before the Y we have vowel. F before the Y we have vowel, so there is no removal of Y or no adding of IES, just simple add S. I will just here add and I will convert it plays. That is called plays. This will convert it to word plays, and it will correct. So this is called the second rules. This is called the second rules. Now if I want to talk about the third rules, the third rule is simply we call the adding of S, where we can add S. So first we will follow these rules. If the word does not follow these rules, then we have tried to follow the second. If it does not follow this, then the third one is simply means to add S. Like for example, you will see the example like I say read, R-E-A-D, read. So look at the first rules. There is no O, there is no X, no CH, no SH, no SS. Just simply add S. Just simply add S and it will convert to word reads. It will convert to word reads. If we talk about another word, like for example, I say swim, S-W-I-M. So there is no O, X, CH, SH, double S, or there is no IES. So how we can simply convert? Just adding S, and it will convert to swims, S-W-I-M-S, swims. So these are the rules. If we talk about the construction of simple present tense, first of all, we should know that where we can add S, where we can add ES, and where we can add IES. So it simply means that if we understand these rules, so we can get the construction very easy and comfortable. So now let's begin the further. So now we will choose one of the words from that. And the verb is what? He goes. So go is followed by what? We have to add what? We have to add ES. He goes to what? So you can write that he goes to school. He goes to school. Or you may also write that every day. You can also say that every day. Every, that is simple. You can also write every day. Every day. Next one. If you talk about she, so we can write there she watches TV. She watches TV every night. Every night. Every night. And if we talk about rain, so it is mostly followed by that rains or snows, etc. For example, I say that it rains, R-A-I-N. Rains and Nowshera. And if you talk about that, a singular noun, so I say Ali. Ali reads a book every day. Ali reads a book every day. Every day. D-A-Y, every day. Now, if you come to word, the formulas, so these all follow the formula of this structure. First of all, these are called, if we talk about these are called what? These are called subject. And what are the verbs? So these are called V. These are called V, and V simply means that is called verb. And the rest of are called, that is simply called, these are called complement. Complement. Now, in this video, I discussed the structure of simple present tense. So if we recall that we need for the construction S. S means subject. And then S is followed by base form verb. And with a verb we have add S, ES, IES plus complement. So I already discussed that where we can add ES. So if we want to add ES, first we have to check the verb. If the verb end in O, X, CH, SH, double S. So we have simply add ES. For example, go. So go is end in O. So we add ES. It's converted to goes. Fix, X is there. So we add ES, fixes. Watch, CH is there. We convert it, then watches. Wash, SH there. So we convert it, that is called washes. Double S is there, so we convert it to miss S. And how about IS? So there is that exception. The exception is that if the verb end in Y and before the Y we have consonant, so remove the Y, add IES, and it will convert to studies. And if we talk about lie, so remove the Y and add IES, lies. But there is an exception. If the verb is end by Y and before the Y we have vowel, so just add simple S. If it does not follow this formula, so try to add only S. And this is the simple construction that these are called subject, these are called verb, and the rest are called complement. So this was the structure. This was the structure only for the singular affirmative sentence. We will discuss the negative structure of simple present tense in the next video.